Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Oh, Santa Claus is on his way, riding in his sleigh. Hey, listen for his joyful sound. You will hear it all around. Oh, Mr. Kringle is soon gonna jingle the bells that'll tingle all your troubles away. Everybody's waiting for the man with the bag, 'cause Christmas is coming again. He's got a sleigh full, it's not gonna stay full. He's got stuff to drop at every stop of the way. Everybody's waiting for the man with the bag, 'cause Christmas is coming again. He'll be here with the answer to the prayers that you made through the year. You'll get yours if you've done everything you should. Extra special good, he'll make this December the one you'll remember, the best and the merriest you ever did have. Everybody's waiting for the man with the bag. Christmas is here again. He'll be here with the answer to the prayers that you've made through the year. You'll get yours if you've done everything you should. Extra special good, he'll make this December the one you'll remember, the best and the merriest you ever did have. Everybody's waiting, anticipating, they're all congregating, 'cause they're waiting for the man with the bag. You better watch out, you better not pout, 'cause here comes the man with the bag. Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. And there were carols on the square, laughter everywhere, kissing under the mistletoe. I can't help reminiscing, knowing I'll be missing Christmas Eve in my hometown. Nothing can erase memories I embrace, those familiar footprints upon the snow. There's so much to remember, no wonder I remember Christmas Eve in my hometown. I'd like to be there, trimming the tree there, and there's a chance that I might. I can hear singing, steeple bells ringing, Noel silent night. Wise men journey far, guided by a star. But though I'm not a wise man, this I know. Through dreams and just pretending I'm there, and I'll be spending Christmas Eve in my hometown. Christmas Eve in my hometown. In my hometown.
Jing, jinga, jinga, jing, jing, jinga, jinga, jing, jing, jinga, jinga, jing, jing. I love those Jingle bells. Bung those holiday Jingle bells. Bung those happy Jingle-E-double-L-S. I love those Jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Bells on bobtail, making our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, fa la la, fa la la, fa la la la. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a fa la 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 sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh today.
Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Bells on bobtail ring, making our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. I love those Jingle bells. Bung those holiday Jingle bells. Bung those happy Jingle-E-double-L-S. I love those Jingle bells. Bung those bells. Bung those bells.
Jingle all the way.
Jingle all the way.
The stars are brightly shining.
Go to sleep, my son. This manger for your bed. You have a long road before you rest your little head. Can you feel the weight of your glory? Do you understand the price? Or does the Father guard your heart for now so you can sleep tonight? Go to sleep, my son, my son. Oh, go and chase your dreams. This world can wait for one more moment. Go and sleep in peace. I believe the glory of heaven is lying in my arms tonight. Lord, I ask that He, for just this moment, simply be my child, my child. Go to sleep, my son. Oh, baby, close your eyes. Soon enough you'll save the day, but for now, dear child of sleep tight. Sleep tight. Sleep tight.
Sleigh bells ringing, choir singing, wonder what old Santa's bringing. It's the warm and fuzzy time of year. Snowflakes fall, the tempest dropping, families out together shopping. It's the warm and fuzzy time of year. Elves are working overtime, making all our toys, and those reindeer hooves on all the roofs. by a cozy fire. It's the warm and fuzzy time of year. Time of the year. It's the warm and fuzzy time of year. It's the fuzziest time of the year. Everybody's waiting, anticipating. They're all congregating, 'cause they're waiting for the man with a bag. You better watch out, you better not pout, 'cause here comes the man with the bag.